Hello my friends, welcome to Instant Electronic Channel. This is Uncle Misha. Today we have Ecobee Smart Sensor pack of 2. So I decided to get these because I got Ecobee 3 smart thermostat for home for free. Someone just gave it to me. But I want to have more sensors and I decided to buy these. One of the latest sensors. They were on sale, minus 30% on Amazon. Decided to get them as well. So I would like to have a sensor to be at each floor at least. So the main sensor is going to be in the main floor where the thermostat is, and one of these guys will be in the basement, another will be in the second floor, just to measure the temperature, not necessarily for actually doing an action on it. I would just like to see the differences between the basement and the top floor, just to understand the airflow and things like this better in house. So this is my reason. So let's just try to open these guys and see what they are, how easy to add them to my existing thermostat. This is number one. And also I would like to actually take one apart and see what's inside. That's going to be part number 2, or actually it's going to be same part, but just one after another. Okay, so very nice packaging. I already liking it. Nice and cool. I hope it's going to be easy to open them, but who knows, right? Who knows? Alright, look at that. That's actually pretty nice. I like it. Oh, they tiny! What? Oh, they're so tiny. What is this? Oh, it's magnetic. Okay, well, I definitely never seen this thing before. That's why I behave like a kid here. Very nice. Why it's so fiddly doodly? I don't get it. Okay, what is that? Anyways, so we have number 1 and number 2. All right, it has the magnetic base, I assume. Ah, this is not magnetic. This is magnetic. Here is the magnet. All right, just like that. This is another magnetic thing. What are these guys? Or is there anything else there? That's it? So I have to pull this aha. So now I understand. So if you used this cute base, you can just place them anywhere you want. But if you use this one, you can just do this and glue it to anywhere you want. So I have to figure this out. All right, and here is the battery. It looks like it uses C. It doesn't say. Well, obviously it does look like CR2032, which I have plenty of them. And this is a little thingy covering. I think this has also occupancy sensor right here. There's not much information or user manual or specs of any kind. Let me, or maybe something here. Unlock the potential of Ecobee. This is all like looks like detect occupancy, allowing for room specific comfort where you want it, when you want it. Smart comforts helps manage advanced temperature. I'm curious if this thing has a humidity. Like I need to know humidity and the temperature. I don't need like occupancy because whatever. Okay. Because like there is no point to have occupancy at different levels because you cannot adjust temperature individually on the floor unless you have smart grills, which would be closing one way, opening another way, closing one room, opening another room. So this is, I mean, this is all different level of managing this stuff. But let's pick the one. Let's say this guy. Let's remove this film here, which is very hard to remove for some reason. Yes, here we are, nice and cute. And now let's it says turn this way. Doesn't turn this way. What's going on? It does, but like meh. Ooh, that's what they use. I'm lucky because I have actually a bunch of these. Oh wow, no, it's actually bigger than I expected. What the hell? I show you what I have. Yeah, I have these guys which are 2450 and this one is 2477. So technically this will fit, right? But I need to prop it with something. So technically this will fit. So I have like a bunch of replacement batteries for... I know, guys, if you remember this Waze sensor, so here we are. This is from here. They useless at the moment, but this big battery goes in here. So yeah, that's why I have like a whole pack of them. That's cool. So I'm definitely gonna be set for these guys, as I can MacGyver some kind of, I don't know, 25 cent here. I just like to use as a spacer. That's a good idea. All right, let's just put them back on here. Let's lock it up. So yeah, this, okay, well, just for giggles, if I'm already here, let me put this no name kind of stuff in here and see if it works. They even lock it properly, I don't know. Like this and like this. Meh. All right, I have this Ecobee app, and yeah, haven't not really versed. Add a device, a sensor, smart sensor. Let's get started. Sure. And what? Oh, you find QR code on the pull tab. Here's the QR code on the pull tab. Let me just scan this QR code. Okay, sorry. Maybe let's just... Okay. Yeah, I did just pull it up-ish, kind of. Looks like we have a little bit of problem. So this thing does not find... So your smart sensor can find your main floor thermostat. It doesn't. So let me put the proper battery back. Who knows, maybe this is the problem. Okay, let's put the proper battery. Okay, maybe that's gonna help. Pull the tab essentially means to power it up. There is also code, I guess, to manually... No, nothing happening. Oh, right, I was able to actually install this one, but this one for some reason didn't want to, but I had to actually go all the way to the thermostat in the main floor and stand there and poking around for a while before I actually got paired with the thermostat, and now here we are. This sensor actually reports 20, because look, I'm gonna probably warm it up this thing. Now it reports 20.5 because I was kind of handling it. Now it's gonna change the temperature, I'm pretty sure. I would like to see humidity, but looks like humidity is... Yeah, probably gonna take some time to kick in. Well, it took some time for this thing to kick in and actually show 22 after me like holding it for like, I don't know, good 5 minutes. Alright, so looks like I'm getting a little bit disappointment because there is no humidity sensor in this sensor module. Alright, so I'm definitely gonna open this one up. I'm gonna see if there is one. So a little hint, if you cannot connect your sensor to your thermostat, the sensor cannot be found, you have to like, I'll show you on this one, essentially pull the battery out, leave it for, they recommend like a minute, or another option, you can even short these two, like, okay, just to make sure it's all discharged and reset, then put this battery back on and repeat the procedure. This usually helps, and it certainly helped my sensor to get recognized. So this sensor is connected properly and working. This sensor I didn't connect yet. My idea here, I'm gonna take it apart, so there is no point to make it, how to say, there's no point to actually connect it right now. So also I marked this little connect strip of each individual sensor. You know, I'm gonna keep them in this box. So this guy gonna be a candidate of being taken apart. Sorry, probably was like this, I think. Yes, that's gonna be here for now. All right, I think this video it's gonna be pretty much it. This was an installation and unboxing video. It was pretty easy to install and connect. If you have any issues, please reset, pull the battery out, reset the thing, let it stay without the battery, and it's gonna be fine after that. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like the channel or like the video, and stay tuned for more videos. Stay safe and ciao.